How to add Parallax banner to your Shopify store without using an app. If you are looking this type of video, then this video is for you. In this video, I have explained a complete method step by step in which you will be able to copy the code and paste it within your Shopify theme. This way, you are able to use this Parallax banner all for free. So what we have to do, you have to follow me step by step to the end of the video so that you will all the steps following me without doing any mistakes. So keep in mind that this is a coding tutorial, or you might have to adjust some coding. So first thing first, let's head over to the Shopify admin. We are on the home page, and then here there is an option for the theme. Simply click on it, and this is the live theme. Okay, what we have to do is we have to click on this three dot, and I would suggest to duplicate your theme. It's important that if you do any coding changes, then firstly, I would suggest to always duplicate a theme. So simply duplicate a theme. Once duplicate theme copy has been added, we have to click on this three dot and then click edit code. Once our theme code editor gets open, what we have to do, we have to paste of the code within our Shopify theme. So let's move to the website from where we have to copy the code. This is a website. This is my website. I will leave its link within the description. You can simply click on this link. All the method is listed over here as well, and all the features and how to customize the parallax section is explained in this blog post very detailed. So what we have to do is we have to come to this part, and then we have to click on this copy code. Once code is copied, let's move to our Shopify theme editor. Theme editor is get opened. Right click on it and then click new file. Once we click on it, we have to name the file. So simply write that parallax banner dot liquid. Keep in mind that we must use this extension. It's important and it's necessary. Hit the enter button. It will add a simple blank file over here. And then we have to paste all the copied code over here. And then hit the save button. Once this file gets saved, what we have to do, we have to just go to theme customization settings and we have to customize the parallax theme. Okay, all these settings of the customization and all its features are listed over on this blog post as well. You can read it from here, or you can follow me through the tutorial so that you will get all the information. Then we have to click on this edit theme button, and let me go to the desktop version. Scroll down, move back to the part where you want to add that section. So simply I want to add the parallax section below the before after slider, and we have to search for parallax banner. This is a parallax banner. Click on it, and it will add the banner just below the before after slider. So we see the banner has been added. At right side, we have an option to change its image or make some customization. So let's start customization. So let me add this image just like I showed you for starting the tutorial. Okay, so the image has been added, and if I scroll up, then it's showing the parallax effect, but its speed is quite low. What I would suggest is if this JS transform setting is selected, you can increase its speed from here as well. So if I increase its speed to like 35%, and if I scroll it, it will move pretty fast. And if I reduce it to like 5%, it will reduce like a very minimal effect of parallax is applying. So here we have another option for CSS fixed background. This will make the background fixed and your text move on the banner. So you can plug and play with it and make it according to your business requirement. If I scroll down, there is an option to change its text like limited edition, the main heading, and then the description part. All can be customized from this content section. And if I scroll down, we can make the alignment adjustments for the alignment. And from here, we can adjust the vertical align. And here you are able to set the width, padding, and some other settings which you can plug and play with it and make your banner appealing for your customers according to the requirement. If you need any more custom help, just leave a comment below and I will create that section for you, or reach me out and I will create it for your website. Okay, let's scroll down. There is an option to add a button over here. Let me add the client link. So button get shows. Okay, so the button is showing. with our shop now. And from here, we are able to adjust the colors. Okay, so once I update the colors, the button text will start showing. Let's scroll down. If I scroll down and use this gradient overlay, these are some color adjustment which you can make according to your requirement. Okay, we can set up the button color to this one or this one. And if I scroll down, there is an option for the dimension settings. And like the height of the banner, if I increase this, the banner height will get increased. Okay, so we see the height gets increased, the tablet height, the mobile height, all option is provided over here. And if you need any help, just click on these links. Let's scroll up and let's see is it working on our mobile or not. So if I switch to the mobile version and if I scroll up, it's not working. I have added an option to enable parallax on mobile. So this way, the parallax effect will work on mobile as well. What we have to do, we have to save it and see it on the live website. It will work on the mobile version as well. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.